Okay, it is September the 22nd, I believe, and I didn't get much sleep. Actually, I don't even think I slept. But this is the start of the vlog, day one. We are still here at our home, but we are getting ready. It is now 2:30 in the morning. We're getting ready to go and drive to Port Canaveral in Florida. See ya. Okay, we're in the car. We're leaving. Say hi, kids.
They said hi.
It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning. So
And we're on the road, so all right.
see you when we get there. There we go. Beautiful.
Yeah, and we have to board it.
Like this kind of. We are currently here.
In boarding groups 1 through 6 to please proceed to the boarding area. Please be prepared.
We are boarding. Whoop, whoop. We're boarding. Why are you covering your face, Haley? Gonna do first impressions entering the boat. Yes. So this is the entrance to the Disney ship. We took the Disney Fantasy ship, Halloween of the Seas. So it was Halloween themed because we did this vacation towards the end of September. This was our first Disney cruise and it did not disappoint. And as you can see, this is a gorgeous ship. We did take advantage of going to the Lido deck and riding on the water slides when there was no lines. We did board very early, which is a good thing. I always recommend boarding early. We had lunch at the buffet. The buffet was really good, did not disappoint. And then after the buffet, we checked to see if some of our bags were at our room, and then we decided to go to our room once our keys were ready.
All right,
Jacob, Lori, Haley, Mom. Here.
So we just entered our room with our room keys and just to drop some of our stuff off so that we could get ready for I guess the thing that they teach you with the life jackets, and then for the celebrate party. So we just exploring our room. Our wonderful travel agent left us a gift, which I thought was so cute. It's like a little Halloween gift that he left for the girls. So I thought that was super cute, super awesome. I'll make sure to tag his information in this clip. Know him when you see him. He the one who planned our Disney cruise and everything.
This is what I mean, my random
Our
cousins
Disney-
that just be coming up in
Disney
my
World, Universal Studios.
Oh, look how beautiful. Mickey and all the detail.
Oh,
This is
boy.
so cute.
Look at our balcony.
They're loading up like we watched on the video.
Bathroom number 1. I don't know how the light works. Where the light? Oh, I know how it works. You got to put that card in. So bathroom number 1. And then bathroom number 2. This one doesn't have a shower.
What do you mean you got to put the card in?
Card in to make it light up. So Once we start to sell off, there is a sell away party, a huge sell away party where everyone gathers on the Lido deck, and that's when you get to see Mickey and Minnie along with all the other Disney characters. So this was just very cutesy and entertaining to watch. Enjoyed every minute of it. And as you can see, they do put on a huge celebration. So we definitely checked out the kids club. There is, I can't remember the age range, but at the time my daughter was 9 years old.
Okay, so this is Loriana's club.
This is so freaking cool. Look at this.
Adults are only allowed here today. After today, I don't get to come back here and play with them.
Actually, open houses is throughout the week, so you can.
Oh, never mind. Some one person is holding up.
So just look on the app when it says open house, it's for everybody. I know my husband's like, I'm jealous.
Yes, you heard that right. The kids club is one of a kind for adults and for children. They do have open house hours where you can play inside of the club with your children. So that's what we're doing here. That's the reason why you see a bunch of parents with their kids inside of the club. There's so many different activities. We as a family, even with my oldest, had fun playing inside of this club. And of course, my daughter did have fun when parents were not allowed in the club. There was just so much to do. Definitely a must see, must check out. Even if you don't have kids and you're just doing a Disney club, during open hours for adults and children is definitely an experience with many activities.
So this is side one, which is the Oceaneer Club. And then you go down this hall here to the Oceaneer Lab. Okay, Haley Club.
In the club.
Look at Haley's Club.
Wow.
Is this actually?
So they think they're grown up in here.
This ain't club.
So yes, this is another club. This age group is from 14 to 18. My daughter was 13 and a half at the time. She was like 2 months away from being 14. So we decided to do the 14 to 18-year-old club for her. This is us just checking out the ice cream shop. They have a full ice cream shop that has fudge, different types of ice cream, and macaroons. So we definitely check that out. And here are just some other clips from the first day of being on the Disney Fantasy Cruise. So we went to Animator Palette our first and last night. I really enjoyed this restaurant. This is one of my favorite restaurants. And then me and my husband, we did have date night in the adult. There is an adult hold section with different clubs and different bars. So we definitely took advantage of one of the bars and had date night while our kids were in their kids club. So this was just really cool. As you can see, our drinks light up. They have really good drinks, and this is how we pretty much ended our night. So we went ahead and picked up both girls from their club. They had such a good time. So this is day one, Fantasy Cruise, Disney Cruise Line. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment. Thank you for watching.